So what golf day you playing?
I don't know. I was invited.
No, so that's not right for me, because now you come here to a golf day, you don't know what golf day you're playing on. Do you know what golf club you are at? You can be at the wrong golf club.
Why are you giving me shit?
But so you don't know what golf.
I was invited by a client of
But
mine.
what
Mac
golf
IT,
day? No, sir. This is
country club.
yeah, but this is not the event organizer. You see, people like you, sir. This is the problem we're sitting
People
with.
like you are the problem you're sitting with.
Why, sir?
Because you're fucking aggressive.
No, sir. I'm just doing my work.
You're
You came
aggressive.
here, sir, and you don't know what golf day you're playing in. Do you know what golf day this is? You're playing in.
Fucking aggressive. Who's your boss?
So please don't do
Who's
that.
your boss?
So I started
Who's
here
your
last
boss?
week.
Who's your boss?
So Mr. Van Zyl, but this is not right what you're doing now.
Give me your number. Give me his number.
I've got smaller children.
I don't care
Smaller
about your
children.
fucking children. Who's your boss? Who's your boss?
So what do you drink?
Who's your boss? Give me your boss's number.
Mr. Van Zyl,
Give me his number.
083.
Moet hy ou gee my kakkie breek. Ek gee nou terug wel.
I really apologize, sir.
I don't take it. Julle gee mekaar kakkies op. Hoekom gee jy my kak?
But so you don't know what
Gee my
golf
sy
day you're
nommer.
playing
Gee my
in?
sy nommer.
083
Ja.
274
Ja.
35
Ja.
97 24
And what's your name?
a sniper.
Go and serve these other people. Okay, voicemail. Is that his right number?
Yes, sir. But sir, do you've got a handicap? Because with people...
Is he here?
No, sir. It's not, yeah, he's off today, he's on leave. So what do you drink? I'll buy you something to drink?
I don't drink.
But I can
I
see in your
don't
eyes,
drink.
sir. I can see in your eyes you're a drinker, sir. I mean, I'm trying to see when people... Maybe last night you took a hap or two, sir. As jy Afrikaans, meneer.
You are now moving in the wrong direction.
But so normally...
You are moving in the wrong direction.
But if you had a cuppy last night, this is why you're so aggressive, sir. So
You're the aggressive one.
so you jumped out and you say to me, you're going to hit me immediately.
I say I'm going to hit you. There's a camera there. We can see what's happening.
Yeah, but the camera will show, sir. When you've got out, I was afraid for my life, sir, when you've got out there. And I'm going to tell Mr. Van Zyl how aggressive you were, and I'm going to tell him that I was afraid for my life. But sir, I think you take chances in any case. You come here with a friend's invite because you don't know the golf day. And you wasn't even sure this is Benoni Country Club. And it's normally people like yourself who's driving Land Rovers and who've got money who are taking chances like that. It's normally the problem. Are you from a company, sir, or are you just working at a company? But so you're wasting a lot of my time now, and my time is very valuable because my boss said I must stop more cars, and now I'm only spending time with you in person.
Yes, stop that car. You asked me to park here. I'm parked here.
Okay, meneer, ek gaan vir jou sê my naam is JD Heinz, hy's op my prank show en daar's my kamera. Hy's uitgevang op my show. Jy was 'n bietjie omgekrap gewees. Jy kom nie deur op daai nommer nie. Ek het gewonder hoe gaan jy deurkom op daai nommer. Jesus. Wat is jou naam?
Gerrit.
Gerrit, doen my guns. Kyk vir my in daai lens en sê, JD Pranks, jy het my.
JD Pranks, jy het my.